Hello everyone. So if you want to add or remove a Google account on your Redmi Pad SE, so first of all, open up your settings. Now you're to scroll down to your accounts and Think tab. So first, let's remove our old Google account. So choose an account. It's gonna be shown here, Google. Now press More and choose Remove Account. Confirm your choice by pressing Remove Account. And basically that's it. That's how you remove your old Google account. Now to add up a new one, once again, open up your settings, open up your account and sync, and choose your Add Account option. Tap on it. Now choose which account do you want to get. I'll choose Google. Alright, now we are to enter our email or phone number which is associated with your Google account. So let's enter it. And you will be prompted to enter your password. Please do that. Alright, after you entered your password, you're to press Next again. You are to carefully read the Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy. These terms explain how your Google account will be used. So, if you're agreed with everything, tap I agree and accept all the terms. Without agreeing to these terms, you cannot add the account. Now you can go through your Google services and you have to tap Accept to complete that process. And basically that's it. Now let's go back. And as you see, we've added up our new Google account and we can use all Google services on this device. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.